So this one we've got a couple of jumps in it, quite a few berms. First jump. Easy flow down. Another jump. And another jump. And another one. And another one. And another one. Woohoo! Yeah, and another one. Fuck yeah! Oh shit. And another one. Tabletop. Double. And another one. Woohoo! Heaps of the buggers. Yo. Fuck yeah. Oh, that was fucking awesome.
Holy fuck, there's some jumps in that.
Fuck yeah. I just rolled over him, Byron, didn't even try to jump him.
I did too. The little one and then the smaller one, I went over both of those. And then there was like a corner straight away, I could just lean and
Oh, I love it, that's awesome.
I slow down for the tabletops.
Yeah, you do. There's more jumps in there than what I remembered.
That was fun.
You want to do it again?
Oh, what, up again?
Yeah, up again. We can go up and do gobblers, or you can go up and do that easy float again.
I should go up and then we'll slow.
On the way to Gobblers Knob. Let's go. Are you guys going to Gobblers Knob? Sweet Earth will follow you, eh? Hey. Hey guys.
Hey team.
How you going?
Good, we all well?
We are.
Oh, I hope those batteries don't get flat, eh?
Fuck no.
Oh, you don't even have one?
He's got an analog, bro. I've got him. Always a smart ass, eh? Oh, I love it.
Oh, sorry mate.
Don't be, bro. It's all good. Got to wait for the night, give him a bit of a break.
Yeah.
The hills kill him.
There's these great tow lines you can get, mate.
Tow lines, yeah, put them on back of my bike, bro. We'll tow you up. Or drag you up, whatever fuck it works. How's your guys' ride going today?
Oh, fantastic, mate. Just letting the kids go off and play and
Yeah,
we
nice.
just follow them down, so.
Yeah, so
Nah, it's awesome. It's awesome. You're heading up the top?
nah, not today.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, warm up there, I tell you.
it's Jamie's first ride around here, so
Oh, nice.
just showing him some of the tracks, some of the trails. We just go and do gobblers, then head down to Big Willie, do the ride around the lake.
Yeah. Just remember why he's not puffing it.
You should have seen me last week. You should have seen me last week. There's another guy that was here on EB. I call him Mr. Velodrome because he works at the Velodrome,
Oh, yeah.
bike place. Honestly, I was like this. I was like this.
I did come, I was riding with a mate and he's a bike mechanic, and so what he knows is where the off switch is for the battery on a lot of bikes. So he'll be, we'll be talking about this and he stuck around behind and just switched it off and carried on. And then the next thing he says, I'm going, what?
That is such a trolley thing to do. I love it.
Next time we see you, I'll show you where it is.
That would keep me laughing for hours, and all you'd hear me is saying, "You mongrels!" See you later, guys. That's so funny. I love it. You trolls. Oh, too funny. Oh, let us know when you're ready, bro. No, he was just, yeah, take your time.
Shall we go?
We should go. I'm sweating. Fuck, I'm sweating, bro.
Oh, I feel sorry for you.
Oh, that's priceless. I love it. Oh, Holy Toledo, let's go! Jump, go to the left. Hey-ya, hey-ya, hey-ya. Yeah, fucking awesome. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Fuck, it's nice in here. Really, really nice. It should be. Here we go. There he is. Me. We're away. How are you finding this trail? Figured as much. It's more flowy and easy to ride down, eh?
Also, I found out this bike better at speed.
Oh yeah.
That's the interesting work. You have to go faster.
Yeah. As long as you got control with that speed. Bridge, be careful. Yes, the corner. We're going right, easy way down. Another little jump and another one. Another jump, more like a double. Oh, beware, it's a jump. Oh no, what do I do? Wait, I brake, no. Oh, I go around it, because I ain't that ballsy, not today. Bush bashing, not bushwhacker, bushwhacking. Okay, have a good one, guys. Whoa.
There we go.
Easy, we go straight ahead.
Watch out, behind you. That way? Which way? I don't know.
I don't know, that's it. Hard or easy straight ahead.
Probably easy. I'm not hitting big jumps in this thing.
I know that.
I can hit some of those jumps now. It's amazing fun.
Okay, looks like we're going straight ahead, bro.
Hey, the jump you stopped on the through.
Yeah, I wasn't dreaming of going on that one. Oh, this one just loops back round. That's right. It is what it is.